Welcome back, guys. Today's video, I'm gonna be talking about my freaking favorites. This is my most current favorites. I have been looking through all of my makeup stash and my products, skincare, all of that, and really wanted to narrow it down to my most current day-to-day items that I've been using non-stop. So I cannot wait to share with you my favorites. If you like these kinds of videos, please give the video a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Let's go ahead and get started. My first product is Dossier perfumes. You all know I have been obsessed with Dossier perfumes. It is basically an inexpensive version of a high-end perfume, and they do such a great job to the fact that I actually use their perfumes more than the actual high-end perfume itself. But everything is just so cohesive in their brand. So this one is called Gourmand White Flowers, and I have it on today right now. Oh my god, this just smells like an angel from heaven. This one has notes of bergamot, green tea, freesia, like you're just in a garden. It has some hints of vanilla in there, so it's a little tiny bit tad sweet, but I've been really loving this. And it came with this, which is the candle version, and it smells just like the perfume but even softer. So yeah, this one is the Gourmand White Flower Duo. So Dossier has like candles. I don't know how long they've had these candles going on. If you love the perfumes, I mean, why not match the candle with it? And I love how it's small, and I love the packaging, and you could just put it anywhere and it's just amazing, and it'll calm you down. So the next favorite that I've been using every single time I'm in my shower is this Euro Spa Pure Eucalyptus Shower Mist. I'm all about spas and like bathrooms and just like amazing smells and showers, and honestly, I've been incredibly freaking stressed lately. It's just everything that's happening in life right now is just crazy stressful. So this has helped me out so much. You know, at the end of your day, you just turn on your shower, put it hot. 2 sprays will do, but make sure you spray it down. Don't spray it anywhere near your eyes because it is pure eucalyptus oil. So this will completely just invigorate the bathroom with the smell of eucalyptus, and it just so calming. This will take your shower experience to a whole other level. Keeping back up with the, you know, relaxation things, I bought it, I think, at Publix. This little oil here is the rosemary oil. I sound like a crazy person around my house. I'm always spraying things just to like keep me at ease. So I would just go in and place like a couple little drops here right in the palm of my hand. I would just go in here and I would just go like this. I literally will sit here when I'm stressed and I will just go in and smell and exhale. I won't smell it too deeply because you don't want it to penetrate to your brain. This is my go-to when I'm stressed out. I will just rub it and yeah, call it a good day. Oh my gosh, I feel like why haven't I talked about this before? This is the Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint from Bath & Body Works. This is a bubble bath, you guys. The eucalyptic and spearmint whole line of Bath & Body Works is unreal. Oh, just give me good memories. So what I would do, I would just, you know, pop in my bubble bath, put a couple drizzles in there, lay down, drink my white wine, listen to Taylor Swift, and like this will just relax me in such an incredible way because of the aroma. Eucalyptus, if you don't like eucalyptus, it's okay. Believe me, you want to smell this because the spearmint and eucalyptus combined, it smells so calming. It doesn't smell like balsamo. It smells very calming and just so delicious, like you're in a spa at a Ritz-Carlton. So this cleanser here from Confidence in a Cleanser, I have been testing this out. I am almost running out of this. I didn't think I would love it as much because I'm so used to the same cleanser that I always use. I have been using this non-stop every single day. I put this in my shower and this is what I use to remove my makeup or just cleanse my skin. It is very gentle. It doesn't strip away your skin. It feels kind of like cleansing balm kind of, but it's a cleanser. And the moment you apply it, you can feel your makeup is just like gently being removed. And I can't believe I actually have not talked about this before. I am almost running out of this because I use it every single night in my nighttime routine. This is the Belief Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. So I use this after I wash my face at night, before I do my skincare. I will go in with this. I do not use a cotton pad because I don't want to waste any of this. It's a refreshing splash of instant hydration that floods your skin with moisture. It does not leave your skin greasy nor stripped. Some toners will do that because some of them have alcohols in them, but this one does not. So this here. This is tea bags. I suffer occasionally from heartburn if I eat too late, and I will not sleep the whole night. I've tried Tums, I've tried vinegar, I've tried it all. Whenever I get those indigestion freak out moments, the only thing that helps me is to sleep sitting up. But thanks to this heartburn tea, which by the way, you don't have to use just for heartburn. You could just drink this on any occasion. Thanks to this tea, it is the only thing that will help me sleep whenever I'm going through like a heartburn phase. So this is really amazing. I'm gonna link it down below. Next for setting spray, this is an old setting spray. It's not new, but I recently purchased this on an Ulta 21-day beauty sale. This is the, of course, Max Fix Plus Settings Mist. It's nothing new at all. I've been reaching for this every single day for the past month or so, and I just can't get enough of it. It's just like so refreshing. You put it on, it's not dewy, it's not too matte, it's just refreshing, and you can tell and feel how your makeup stays and locks into place. Primers. Okay, you guys, I know I've talked about this one before many times. It's gonna be always my favorite primer ever. This is a Smashbox Primerizer. It is just a moisturizing burst of hydration, serum-y kind of, but it just gives your skin the perfect priming effect. It is just the best hands down primer ever. Moving on to my favorite tinted moisturizer at the moment. Lately, it's this Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Cream Moisturizer. This one is in the color medium. This tinted moisturizer is like heaven. It does something so beautiful to the skin. It covers just the right amount, but it's still so lightweight. It's not full coverage at all in any way, and it blends so easily into the skin. This is literally how I've been doing my makeup every single time I go out anywhere, and I will go and just rub it in with my fingers, and it just does magic. And then I will go in with a cream blush, a very nice natural cream blush, and apply it with my fingertips, and that is how I've been doing my makeup every single day. I found a new blush, and I freaking am obsessed with it. You can use it with your fingertips, or you could use it with the beauty sponge. This is the Merit Beauty Blush Balm. It is such a stunning color. It just gives you a very nice flush cheek moment. This one is in the color Beverly Hills. This has the tiniest bit of dew, and you just apply it and it just melts into your skin so beautifully. No matter how much you put on, it is formulated in a way to keep your skin looking natural. So nice and so natural. Do you see? Like, it's just so beautiful and so lightweight. I will go in with this tinted lip stain. This one's from ColourPop. This one is in the color First Bite. You apply it on your lips. If you give it 5 minutes, it'll turn into those beautiful lip stain colors that are like punchy, like if you drank Kool-Aid or something. Like, it just smells random, but I love the formula, and it looks like it's, you know, like it could be bold, but it literally is just the subtlest, most beautiful lip stain. It doesn't feel like a lip gloss. There's really nothing there. It dries into your natural lips, and it still has a little bit of hydration, so your lips do feel moisturized, but it's not glossy at all. Oh my God, you guys. These two lipsticks from Jaclyn Hill. This one is in the color Absolutely. Oh, this has been my go-to nude. The perfect actual nude. It's not pink. It's not too brown. It's like a beautiful, beautiful nude. It does wing a little bit more on the warm side. And then this one is in the color Gratitude. Oh my God, the Gratitude is so stunning. Let's go ahead and swatch this one next to it. Oh, like a little bit more slightly deeper brown. It is such the most beautiful brownie nude. And it's not too brown. When you apply it on the lips, it's like a light, very, very light, warm brown. I love her liquid lipsticks. I actually have a bunch, but these are so far my two favorite ones that I've been using all the time. Like whenever I do a nice smoky look, oh, this is beautiful. For bronzers, there's one cream bronzer that I absolutely love. It is the Makeup by Mario cream bronzer. This one's in the color medium. This is like the perfect color, the perfect formula, and I love how easy it blends into my cheeks. Slightly a little bit more on the medium warm to cool tone. I'm gonna tell you what I use with this, which is my next favorite product. This brush here is the best cream contour brush ever. Funny, I've had this brush in my collection for at least 7 years, and not once did I use it. Not once, because I never used to use cream bronzers. But the moment I started using these two together, now I have a purpose for this brush. So this is the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I'm sure you've probably seen this many times. Guys, it is perfectly shaped for cream bronzer. I will go in and dab it, and it just hugs the cheek so nicely, you guys. Distributes the bronzer in such a perfect way. Up next for nose contour, you guys. I found the perfect nose contour brush. This was the BH Cosmetics, the number 4 brush. This is the perfect brush for cream bronzers, but also powdered bronzers. Just go in and dab it, and then I will go in and just go into my nose in these areas here. It's like the perfect size for the nose. I cannot do my nose contour without that brush. Up next is my favorite mascara at the moment. Holy smoke. This is the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. Does anyone use this? This will lengthen your lashes times a million. This just does such a good job at lengthening them. It thickens them, but it does not make them clumpy at all. Makes them look just like false lashes. This is a false lash in a bottle. Next is my favorite winged liner at the moment. This one I absolutely have been loving nonstop. This is the Rare Beauty liquid liner. This is the perfect strokes liner. It just looks like a marker. I mean, look at this. For those people that are like shaky hand kind of people like myself, this is just perfect because it gives you so much precision. Okay, guys, I only have one eyeshadow palette I want to talk about. This palette has been my go-to palette every day. This is the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette. You've probably seen this many times. This is the perfect everyday palette. Sometimes I'm not in the mood for a sparkle. Everything is just easy. It comes with a mirror. You can stick it in your purse. The formula and the blendability of these shadows is just by far incredible. And it's just the all-around go-to palette for every day. And that's why I've been loving this one. So shout out to this palette because this is a good one. This color right here, these mattes, these beautiful vanilla colors just give you the most beautiful pop in the lid. Ugh. It's stunning. I love it. I have been loving one concealer because I've been in this mood, you know, the mood of the minimal makeup. That's me. That's what I've been. Well, you guys, this concealer, I was so shocked at how much I freaking love this. This is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. It is the perfect coverage. It is like a medium to full. If you pack it on, it could be a full, but it is very lightweight on the skin. It looks like when you apply it, it's just like just so nice, like lightweight, and it covers, and it just pairs so nicely with the BB cream. You guys, this concealer, if you are looking for a good concealer, this is it.
Today's my day.
Today's your day.
Cafecito.
Cafecito. Give me a bit.
Nobody cares if you're on camera, man.
Baby, you clearly care since you keep coming in here. Okay, baby. Alright guys, as the finale, this is the Rare Beauty. This is the liquid highlight in the color Mesmerize. You guys, this liquid highlight is so stunning. Champagne-y, a slight bit of rose undertone. Gives you like a very nice subtle glow that's like a wet look. No glitter, none of that. It looks like really like intense, but it really is not. When you blend it out, like look how stunning that is. You just look like a little Cleopatra every time you put it on. It doesn't accentuate your pores. It just melts beautifully into your skin. I will go in and just press a little tiniest bit here with my fingers and call it a day. That is it, guys. Those are my most recent faves. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, if you made it this far, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, subscribe. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.